Okay, so let's go through this test. It's just a test two, and I'm not really sure when it was, but I love this test. Okay, so I called it the 2025 lookalike because there are a lot of nice questions that can help us to really learn a lot about our test today. So for this one, if you look at it, if you go down, you can look at the derivatives and you can see that there's going to be for tan hyperbolic, there's going to be for 4 to the x over 4. So, and there's going to be for e to the x. Once you see that, then you know you're going to need your common derivatives table. So for the common derivatives table, remember there is y and y prime. Remember to do this quick when you get into your thing. So I'll try to do it within 3 minutes. I should be done doing it. So it's going to be like this. So let's do the things. And I know it's going to be the order for trig is going to be sine, then cos, then tan, then sec, okay, sec x, then cot x, then cosec x, right? Now, let me put the things that I need. The derivative of sine is cos x. The derivative of cos is negative sine x. The derivative of tan is sec squared x. The derivative of sec is sec x tan x, okay? The derivative of cot is cosec squared x. The derivative of cosec is cosec x cot x. Because we know that tan and sec squared are related. So tan gives you sec squared, but sec can't give you tan squared. So it will give you sec x tan x because it's the weaker one. Cot and cosec are related. Cot will give you cosec squared, but cosec can't give you cot squared because it's the weaker one. It will give you cosec x, then cot x. So, but these last two should be negative. Then we do for hyperbolic trig. For hyperbolic trig, remember, it's just a copy and paste. But when we copy and paste, at first we ignore the signs. Okay, we ignore the signs completely. We don't put any signs. So it's just copy and paste. Okay, sinh sine hyperbolic x, then cos hyperbolic x, then tan hyperbolic x, then sec hyperbolic x, then cot hyperbolic x, then cosec hyperbolic x. Now, what are the derivatives? You copy and paste again. This one is cos, so here it will be cos hyperbolic. It's cos hyperbolic of x. Then here it will be sine hyperbolic of x. Remember, don't put the negative, don't include it. Then here it will be sec hyperbolic squared x. Around here it's going to be sec hyperbolic x, then tan hyperbolic x. Then for cot, it's going to be cosec hyperbolic squared x. Then here it is going to be cosec hyperbolic x, then cot hyperbolic x. Now remember, the last three are the ones you make negative. These last three, and you are done. This is going to be the end. Then now what do? We do the part two of our common derivatives table. We have done these two. You just saw that for the other one, it was copy and paste, and the last three, we made them negative. Now, let's do oh my goodness, I didn't meet my 3-minute deadline. Oh my, it's y and y prime. Let's quickly do the second table as fast as I can. Quick. Like this. This is you starting your test. It's how you start your test. Remember to do this. It's going to be very, very important. It's going to make the job easier for you. Much easier. Now let's do it. Let's do them. What is this? What are the derivatives? We know that it's e to the x, and the derivative of e to the x is e to the x. Then we have e to the f of x. Now we know when you are differentiating e to the f of x, this is now chained, right? Because we have a function inside of thing. And what do? We first differentiate it like we do for e to the x. So it comes back as it is, e to the f of x. But then you should multiply by the derivative of that guy inside. So you then multiply by f dash x. Now, what if the derivative of ln x, it is just 1 over x? What about the derivative of ln of something which is not x? We don't care what it is, something which is not x, ln of f of x. Remember, we don't have to then think about anything. We just look at that f of x, we differentiate it, then we divide it by itself. This is the derivative of ln f of x. Now we go to the next, which is going to be what is the derivative of a to the x, like 5 to the x or 4 to the x or whatever. The derivative of a to the x is just a to the x ln a. It's ln of the number. It's ln of the number. So 5 to the x, what is it? The derivative of 5 to the x will be 5 to the x ln 5. Then what about a to the f of x, which is something which is not just an x? Then this is going to be a to the f of x. You first do it like you do for x. A to the f of x ln a, but then you should multiply by the derivative of that guy, by f dash x, the derivative of this. The last thing is, what about log base a of x? Something which is not ln. What about log base a? It's 1 over x ln a. That is what you do. It's 1 over x ln a. What about log base a of f of x? What do we now have? Log base a of f of x is now 1 over f of x ln a, but then you multiply by the derivative, by f dash of x. Then you'll be done. This is going to be your common derivatives table. You'd have copied it and put it. Now we're going to use it. We're now going to start answering all the questions from number 1. Going on, and let's see how long it's going to take us, okay? Goodbye for now. See you in the next video. You're going to just find space to write this common derivatives table, somewhere even on the paper, on the question paper, at the back or whatever. It doesn't get you penalized at all. You are just putting the things you're going to use. You come in there knowing them, you put them down. Don't be scared. It doesn't get you penalized. Nothing wrong with that, all right? Goodbye for now. Let's start the paper.